In a time of fear and uncertainty, what must we do to protect this world? We will stand and fight. A new age has dawned. An age of freedom. An age of virtual connectivity. We set forth the finest two-way wireless security suite the world has ever known. The Great Protector.
The chime function lets you know through distinctive sounds when doors or windows are being opened and closed. When a door is opened or closed, the system beeps 5 times rapidly. To turn the chime feature on or off, press and hold the one-touch chime key for 2 seconds. The system will beep rapidly 3 times to let you know the feature has been enabled. When the chime feature is disabled, you hear a 1-second beep instead. Occasionally, you may wish to arm your security system and still leave a door or window open. To do this, you need to bypass the zone that corresponds to the door or window. First, press the bypass function key. Use the arrow keys to locate the zone, for example, master bedroom window. When the zone is displayed, press the star key to bypass it. The letter B will appear in the lower right-hand corner of the keypad screen, indicating the zone is now bypassed. Continue to bypass other required zones, then press the pound or number key to exit from the zone bypass menu. Now, when you arm your security system, all bypassed zones will be ignored and your system is secured. When you disarm the system, all bypassed zones will be cleared and the system will operate normally. Quick Exit is a useful tool for those times when you need to check the mailbox or let the dog in or out. It allows you to open or close a designated entry/exit zone one time without entering the security code. To access the Quick Exit feature, ensure your alarm system is armed, then press and hold the Quick Exit button for 2 seconds. Your keypad also has 3 emergency keys: fire, auxiliary or medical, and panic. These keys offer a quick way of communicating your issue to your security monitoring service so they can dispatch the proper authorities. The fire key immediately sounds the siren, warning everyone inside, and transmits a signal to the security monitoring service notifying them of the fire. The auxiliary or medical key immediately transmits an emergency signal to the security monitoring service, informing them of your medical emergency. The panic key immediately notifies the security monitoring service that you are fearful of an imminent personal attack by an intruder. To activate any of the emergency keys, press and hold the key down for 2 seconds. The keypad beeps to indicate to you that your alarm communication has been transmitted successfully. To ensure that your emergency keys are enabled, conduct a test. Before you do, don't forget to let your security monitoring service know. When you are finished, notify them once more to let them know you have finished the test. Your keypad displays different areas of protection, which we will call zones. Zones can include either a single detector or a number of them together and are usually identified on the inner door sticker of your keypad door. For example, Zone 1 can be identified as front door. Your installer has set up the zone labels for you. If there is an unwanted entry at a window or door, or a detector senses a violation, the set zone for that area on your keypad is triggered, and your system will sound the siren and send an alarm transmission to your security monitoring service. Although your security system automatically adjusts for daylight savings time, the time and date on your keypad may need occasional correction, especially after extended power outages. To program the time and date, press the star key, the 6 key, followed by your 4-digit security code. The keypad will beep rapidly 4 times. If your system emits a steady 1-second tone, the security code was entered incorrectly. Simply press the pound or number key and try again. Press the 1 key to select time and date. Now you can program the time and date by entering 10 digits using the following format: hour, minute, month, day, year. Time is programmed using a 24-hour clock. To program 4:30 p.m. March 12, 2009, enter the following numbers: 1, 6 for the hour, 3, 0 for the minute, 0, 3 for the month, 1, 2 for the day, and 0, 9 for the year. To return to the main screen, press the pound or number key. Your security system can also be armed or disarmed using a wireless key or prox tag. If your system has a wireless key, you simply press and hold the arm or disarm button on the key for 1 second. The key will beep to indicate that the signal has been received. The screen on the wireless key also indicates system status. If you have a prox tag, simply swipe the tag across the left side of the keypad display and the system will either arm or disarm as needed. Thank you very much for taking the time to better understand the numerous capabilities of your DSC wireless security system. We are confident that it will provide you with peace of mind by protecting what you value most, your family and your home. For more information on any of our DSC products, please contact your security professional or visit the DSC website at www.dsc.com.